How to install Fonts Art keyboard for iPhone, where you can make some cool keyboards and cool text notions for your messages, Instagram profile, iPhone home screen, and all of that. It's a brilliant keyboard that will help you turn the ideas you want to share with people into aesthetically pleasing messages. Pick any font from the vast collection of designs and spice up the conversation with your stunning text. You can also try the magic of Font Maker. Draw every character in your handwriting to create a fully customized design and add a personal touch to every message. Fonts Art is an all-in-one solution to make your social media profiles your biggest flex. Use gorgeous fonts and highlights to create zingy captions and dreamy bios. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So just open up the app and you can just allow tracking or and then here you have free trial. Then if you want, you can upgrade per year. On a yearly plan you don't have free trial. On a weekly plan you have 3-day free trial. But then it's quite expensive to buy it weekly. Then you just create it here, and then you can just enable Fonts Art keyboard. So just go to settings. So Fonts Art and then keyboards, and then you can just enable this keyboard, allow full access. Full access allows the developer of this keyboard to transmit anything you type, including things you have previously typed with this keyboard. So it just depends if you want to do that. Yeah, you can just allow full access, but just be careful if you want to allow full access. And then then if you kind of go to your keyboards, then you see keyboards, and then you see Fonts Art is available here. So yeah, that's basically the process. So you gave access to this keyboard, and now you can just, what you can do, you can also create your own font. And then you just go to a character, and then you enter font name, and then you tap. So yeah, the cool idea that you kind of create your own font here. So don't look at my characters, I'm just showing you the idea. And then you can really stand out from your friends, and just stand out as an influencer on Instagram if you kind of create your own personal font. And then you'll just have it here. And then how to use it, your fonts in text. On the keyboard, go to sticker fonts, type your text and tap create sticker, tap copy, and then paste your text into your messages or story. So as you can see here, it will be submitted as a sticker. And then you will be able to to submit it in messages, in text, in Instagram somehow, and all of the other things. So you can just copy it here. So Fonts Art. Tune your text with AI, check spelling, paraphrase, and convert text to emoji. So then you can just see how it will look like. So if you just type some text with your different fonts, or you can create your own font and save it here. Some fonts are paid ones, some are not paid. So yeah, and then you can just do spell check, do paraphrase, emojify, versify. So all of these things, you can just create a poem, and then you can just copy that and then just paste it somewhere where you want to paste it. It will be done as a sticker. You can also just tap and you will be able to save it like that. So yeah, something like that. And then you just have either a custom fonts or you have standard fonts. So yeah, then you can create a new story and add your fonts here from the templates. You can also, basically this is just like you can install your own theme here and use your own font for the icons and all of like some widgets just with your own font. It's like pretty cool. And then you can just have different keyboard themes as well. So yeah, the basic concept of this app is that you create your own font. And then if you want to have your own font saved across devices, it's better to sign up to not lose your progress. And then you will have your fonts available. So yeah, if you wanna try some really cool fonts, actually, you can also again to upgrade, and then you have almost 300 fonts keyboards. Then so many Insta Story templates, 1,000 plus Insta covers, font maker, 365 plus home screen themes, stylish widgets with quotes. So all of the things you just have here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. That's how it works. And that's basically the idea of the app. It's pretty popular app and it's quite powerful.
I've already made 40.
There are of course ads in the free version. So yeah, if you want to avoid ads, you obviously need to upgrade. But the thing is, I haven't seen that many apps like this. Usually you have apps, where you can customize your themes like wallpaper, icons, widgets, and all of that. There are like hundreds of apps like that. But there are quite few apps where you can, create your own font. So that's pretty cool. And this is like the top app to do that. So yeah, it's a kind of market leader. So check out this app. And yeah, if you still just wanna, customize your phone and you wanna still install some just themes and some icons and wallpapers and all of that, okay, feel free to do so. You can just go install theme, and then yeah, you will just be able to. But yeah, again, mostly you will need to upgrade here to install your theme. So that's basically the idea. That's how it can work out for you. So again, quite powerful app. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but I hope so.